Hi, I'm Dhanikal Sani, a Salesforce Certified Application Architect. In this video, I will show you how to use Salesforce Schema Builder to design, visualize, and optimize our data model. Once we have a physical data model ready, we can implement that model in Salesforce. We can implement data models using Object Manager or Schema Builder. We already covered object managers in a data modeling video. This video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Schema Builder to create objects and the field. Here are the key takeaways from this video. We'll understand what is Schema Builder, what are the features of Schema Builder. We will also see benefits of Schema Builder, and then we will have some demo. What is Schema Builder? Salesforce Schema Builder is a powerful tool that allows developers and Salesforce admin to design and manage their data models visually. It eliminates the need for manual schema modification and provides a drag and drop interface for creating objects, fields, and relationships. It simplifies data structures and making it easier to understand how different objects interact within the system. Whether you are building a new app or optimizing an existing database, Schema Builder is an essential tool to ensure data integrity and efficiency. Let's see the features of Salesforce Schema Builder. Schema Builder offers several key features that make it a valuable asset for the Salesforce professional. Let's see the first feature, drag and drop interface. We can easily create and modify objects, fields, and the relationships with a simple click and drag functionality. Then we have visual representation. Using Schema Builder, we can have a clear graphical overview of entire Salesforce schema. This will make it easier to understand complex data models. Quick object and field creation. We can add custom objects and fields without navigating through multiple pages in Salesforce Setup. We can set up permission letters with a profile and permission sets after the creation of objects and the fields. Then we have automatic updates. Whether whatever changes we will do in Schema Builder are instantly reflected in the Salesforce database. So we can easily add permissions after the creation of the fields or the objects. Relationship mapping. We can clearly see how objects are connected through lookup and the master detail relationship. Let's see what are the benefits of using Salesforce Schema Builder. Why should we use Schema Builder instead of traditional object management methods? Here are some key benefits. Simplifies data modeling. Instead of navigating through multiple menus, user can see and modify their schema in one place. This is the biggest benefit for all the Salesforce administrator. Then we have reduce error. Since Schema Builders automatically updates the system, the risk of manual error is minimized. Enhance collaboration. Teams can quickly understand the structure of Salesforce org, making it easier to work together. When the developer or the admin or even the sometime reviewer also, they want to see what are the complete structure of the object, they can easily go to the Salesforce Schema Builder and they can visualize the complete data model for that particular use case or particular project. So it will give a collaboration within a team. Saves times. Instead of creating objects and relationships individually. Salesforce Schema Builder allow us to do everything in one screen. So this will actually help us in creating all those objects on one page. It will save a lot of time for developers or the Salesforce administrator who is creating the objects. Improves the documentation. This visual nature of schema builders makes it easier to document and explain database structure. As I mentioned, the reviewer or the whoever other team member like who prepares a document, who prepares the testing document, they can easily visualize all those data structure in one page. This will help them improving the documentation or creating a test document easily on one page. What permission we require for running a schema builder? We will require a customized application permission to run schema builder. So whoever who wants to do that schema builder access, they need that access. So let's see a demo. This use case we already discussed in a data modeling video where we have a use case like a company wants to track training programs provided to its partner accounts and employees who attend this program. So in this use case, we have to create new objects, and for that we will use Salesforce Schema Builder to create it. So for this, what we have to create, we have to create the first custom object is training program, which we have few fields here mentioned. I will not create all the fields, but I will create object and required fields. You can create, and if you find some issue while creating it, you can ping me or message me. Another object will be employee. Employee basically who will get the training, so they will have another object employee. In employee, the employer is the lookup relationship which is the to the account. Then we have a training enrollment object which is the joint object, junction object, which is we can have a training program and employee as a master detail relationship. So let's create these objects in Salesforce Schema Builder. To go to Schema Builder, we have to type Schema Builder in setup, and then we can select this menu. It will open a page, and this page you can see the count objects. So whatever object you want to select from this object list, you can select all those object which is available in our Salesforce org will available here. So I don't want to see any existing objects, so I will remove it. You can remove or select from here, select all or clear all. You can also find any specific object here like a case. These are the elements basically whatever customer field or formula custom object or custom field you want to create. These are the showing on the element section. Legends are showing, and this is a layout pane where you can visualize or it will show all those objects which we are working on. Let's create a new object, training program, as discussed in a use case. Control C, programs, that's it. I will add one lookup field for the instructor who will do, they will take a session or training. So that will be user, and then automatically it will populate the child relationship name. So we got created a custom field and one custom object here. Let's create another object, employee, who will get the trainings. So for that, I'm creating a employee object. Let me put auto number instead of a normal text, and I can give a format like this. You can see how easy to create a custom field. Then we'll add another we can say lookup field like this employee belongs to which company, so we'll put employer as a field name, and that belongs to account object. Save it. As we right now these objects are not interrelated, so there is no relationship showing here. Let's create a custom object which will be a junction object of these two objects. So that will be a enrollment. Right, maybe instead of let's put a label as a training enrollment. Training enrollment. Okay, so save it, and then we'll have two master data relationship fields. Let me get for the first for program, training program. Training program st, and then we'll create another master data relationship. As soon we got the relationship or lookup created, you can see it's showing it's showing the relationship between two objects. Let's create another master data relationship. Okay, we have to drag whatever element on that particular object. So this is for employee, and then we have to select employee. That's it. Save it. Yeah, we can see all an employer, as employer is from lookup. So if you want to select the here all set, let me select all three. You can see all those showing in a pane. Then we'll select account also. So now you can see account is linked with the employee. So how easy is to create objects and custom fields or relationship here in this schema builder. It saves a lot of time for the admin or developer, whoever have the role for creating objects and field. That's it for the demo. Let's go to the presentation again. To summarize the what is Salesforce Schema Builder? Salesforce Schema Builder help us in modifying data structure in visual way. It is a simple to create a data model in a single page, and it saves a lot of time. For this video, that's it right now. For other modules of data architect certification, we will be having us another video created. And till now, thank you for watching this. Thanks.